Good morning student. Today we will discuss our new chapter linear equation. In this linear equation, this chapter is related to your polynomial or algebraic expression which you already understand in the previous lectures. Now see what is the linear equation. What is the equation? Any algebraic expression, suppose I write down x plus 5 is equal to 10. Any algebraic expression which shows the relation of equality is called an equation. कोई भी algebraic expression अगर equality को show करता है then it is called equation. Linear equation का means है वहाँ variable की power 1 है. It means whenever you are solving any equation, you are finding the value of the variable and any variable power 1. In this, see this one variable highest power is 1 in this equation. It means it is called a linear equation. Now see, there are two methods. One is the general method and second one is transposing method. This equation, this simple equation we can solve by two methods. One is general method. In general method what we will do, we will add, subtract, multiply, division by the same number to both sides. दोनों साइड में जो भी हम ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करेंगे, we will add, addition we are doing, subtraction, multiplication, division, the number should be same both sides. What is the meaning of this? X plus 5 is equal to 10. Basically what we want to find out, we want to solve an equation and find the value of x here. हमें इक्वेशन को सोल्व करके x की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. तो x की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, वेरिएबल वी विल ट्राई टू टेक इन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड or constant terms or any other terms we will want to take on the right hand side. So see here, x plus 5 is equal to 10. We want to omit this plus 5 from the side left hand side. This side is called LHS, that is called left hand side, and this one is called RHS, this is right hand side. So we want to omit or we want to remove plus 5 from the left hand side so that we can find out the value of x. How we can omit from here plus 5? For omitting the plus thing, addition something, we will do the subtraction of the same number. अगर हमारे पास कोई लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में किसी वेरिएबल के साथ कुछ एडिशन में है और हम उसको रिमूव करना चाहते हैं तो वो सेम नंबर हम वहाँ से क्या कर देंगे, सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. इट मीन्स x प्लस 5, तो व्हाट वी विल डू, सब्ट्रैक्ट माइनस 5. तब यहाँ से प्लस 5 रिमूव हो जाएगा. बट whenever we perform this action, we will perform the both side. Then what we will do, there is 10 minus 5. It means if we are doing subtracting minus 5 here, then we here subtract also 5. Now if you solve it, then remaining x here only and there is 5. It means we will get our solution that we find out the value of x is equal to 5. This is called the general method for solving an equation. Now we will solve by the transposition method. There is some rule for the transposition that whenever we are changing something from left hand side to right hand side, that addition change or plus change into the minus. It means we will change the sign also. Plus sign will change into the minus, minus sign change into the plus, multiplication sign change into the division and division sign change into the multiplication. These are the rules of transposition. So we will perform here the rule of transposition for solving this equation. How to solve this equation? X plus 5 is equal to 10. It means I want to find out the value of this variable, then this plus 5 I will do transpose, then sign change and it will get minus 5. Then the value of x is equal to 5. So this is the method of rule of transposition, and this one method we can say general method. Now we will solve more problems based on the transposition method. Suppose we will take one example, that is 2x upon 3 plus 7 is equal to 5. In this question, if you see the term, this one term is related to the variable x, this one constant term, and this one also constant term. So what we will do? We will do like this, that 2x plus 3, this plus sign when you change the side, this will come here with minus 7. Then 2x plus 2x upon 3, 5 minus 7, that is equal to minus 2. Now we will solve this term. Here 3 is in division. So when we use the rule of transposition, then sign change, division change into multiplication. Now here 2 is in multiplication, then by using rule of transposition it will come in division. 2 ones are 2, then minus 1 into 3 is equal to minus 3. We will get the result here, x value minus 3. We will take more examples. X minus 3x plus 8 is equal to 2x minus 5. We can solve the like terms only. We know very well. Then see how to solve. By in addition or subtraction, we will solve only the like terms. So firstly, see in the left hand side there are two like terms, 5x minus 3x. And how to solve the like terms? Both are the x variable. Then solve only this 5 minus 3, that is equal to 2. Then it remaining 2x plus 8 is equal to 2x, take any other thing, 3x minus 5. Now see, this is a variable x term, this one also variable x term, like terms. Then if you do transposition, then apply the rule of transposition, this 3x change into the minus 3x. And here remaining minus 5, this plus 8 change into the minus 8. Then 2 minus 3, that is equal to minus 1. There is no need to write minus 1. Then it becomes minus 5, and this one minus 13. Minus to minus cancel out. It means in this case the value of x is equal to 13. Okay, we will solve some more examples from your book. X divided by 4 plus x divided by 6 is equal to 22. In this question, see here, x by 4 plus x by 6 is equal to 22. In this question, firstly we will solve the LHS side. You can see that this one term containing variable x, this one also contain variable x. It means firstly we will solve both this term, and how to solve you already done that, how to add the algebraic expression. Firstly, take the LCM of this. What is the LCM of 4 and 6? This is equal to 12. Now 4 3s are 12, it means 3x multiplied by 3. 6 2s are 12, it means x multiplied by 2. 3 3s are 9x plus 2x divided by 12 is equal to 22. Now both are the like terms, and 9 plus 2, 11. 11x divided by 12 is equal to 22. 11x is equal to, this 12 is in division, then by rule of transposition this will come in multiplication. Then what is the value of x? 22 multiplied by 12. This 11 is in multiplication. Here it will come in division. Then 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22. 2 into 12, that is equal to 24. Then what is the value of x here? X value becomes 24. You can verify your result also. How to verify? Verification means you have to show that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Then firstly take left hand side. Left hand side is equal to 3x by 4 plus x by 6. 3 by 4. What is the value of x? 24. Put this value. 4 ones are 4, 4 6 are 24. 6 ones are 6, 6 4s are 24. 3 6 are, wait. Here x value 24. 6 6 are 18 plus 4 22, that is equal to RHS. It means LHS is equal to RHS. It means our result is correct. Okay, take some more examples. It is given to you 1 by 6 into 4y plus 5 minus 2 by 3 into 2y plus 7 is equal to 3 by 2. Solve it. See this question. 1 by 6 into 4y plus 5. It means 1 if I multiply by both term, then it becomes like this, 4y plus 5 divided by 6 minus 2 multiplied by 2y, 2 2s are 4, 2 multiplied by 7, 2 7s are 14 divided by 3. Now we have to take the LCM. 6 or 3 LCM is 6. 6 ones are 6, it means as it is these terms. Now minus 3 2s are 6, it means 2 multiply by both terms. So we will take in bracket. Four y plus 5 minus 2 4s are 8y minus plus minus 2 into 14 28. Divide by 6 is equal to 3 by 2. 4y minus 8y. Like terms, that becomes minus 4y. Plus 5 minus 28. That becomes minus 23 divided by 6. 3 by 2. Now this 6 is in division. It means here we will take in multiplication. Minus 4y minus 23 is equal to 3 by 2 multiplied by 6. 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6. Minus 4y minus 23 is equal to 3 3s are 9. Minus 4y is equal to this minus 23, we will do transpose here, then it becomes 9 plus 23. Then minus 4y is equal to 9 or 3 12 32. Y value we want to find out 32. We will divide by minus 4, then you will get the result minus 8. Then it means y value is equal to minus 8. So we will use the rule of transposition and then solve it. Here 6 LCM, 3 2s are 6. Whenever you take minus sign, अगर यहाँ 6 भी होता और यहाँ 1 से multiply करना होता, then also firstly take in bracket and then solve it. Here is 3 multiplied by 2. After minus, when you are solving more than one term, then always take in bracket firstly, then after solve it. One more question. 1.32y plus 0.02y is equal to 1.19 plus y. Solve this one. Now see, this one and this is the like terms. Firstly solve it. 1.32y plus 0.02y is equal to 1.19 plus y. It becomes 1.34y is equal to 1.19 plus y. Now 1.34y. This y, when you change the position, then it will get minus sign, is equal to 1.19. Then when you subtract, it means it is 1. It means 1.34 minus 1 is equal to 0.34. 0.34 y is equal to 1.19. Then y value is equal to 1.19 upon 0.34. When you remove this decimal, then you will get 119 upon 34. You can't cut it, then your answer is 119 upon 34. You can cut it by anything. In 17 table, 17 2s are 34, 17 7s are 119, then your answer is 7 by 2, that is equal to 3 1 by 2, or you can write down 7 by 2 also. So this type you will solve your all questions related to the linear equations. Thank you student.